All right, fellas, I'm out here in the garage this morning. Well, I tell you what, it was cold again this morning. It's about 35 degrees out here this morning, but I got her up. I think she's about 68 degrees out here right now, nice and comfy. That's about what I keep it in the house, 68 degrees. But I'm gonna get this video out. I gotta make a run to Tractor Supply and get some bird seed, and I want to wait till it gets up. It's supposed to get up in the low 50s this afternoon, so I'm gonna let it get a little bit warmer before I head out. But anyway, I wanted to get on here and show y'all I got this 41 Willys done. You know, I bought one of these little whirly jiggers here a while back, and well, I'll tell you what, I don't know whether I like using it or not. I think I just like, I think I'd just rather spin it around with my finger on that little rotisserie that I've been using. And but I do like these. They give you 5 of these little colored discs to put on there if you want to use them, and I'll use those on mine instead of the black. But those are pretty cool. Well, guys, let's get over here, and I'm going to show you. This is the kit that I got off eBay. I think I got this one off eBay, and boy, I was really eager to get on this one. But it was a really nice kit. The only the only bad thing about it, and it was due on my part, I had to repaint it because I screwed up. I wet sanded that, to me, as TS30 silver leaf, and that clear blue just wouldn't cover that, so I had to strip it all down and repaint it. But anyway, it came out pretty nice. The kit itself is really nice. I really like it. I'm gonna have to get another one of these down the line somewhere. Well, let's take a look at it here, boys. Let me scoop my chair up here a little bit. Well, there she be. Now, let me go over some things here. Now, you know, I prepped the body, and then I primed it with this, to me, it's fine surface primer. That's what I use all the time, either the white or the gray. Then I come back and I went over it with this, to me, is TS30 silver leaf. That's some pretty cool stuff. And that's where I had my problem on when I had to repaint it, because after I shot it with this, there were some spots in the body and I didn't like it, and I wet sanded it, and then when I shot that clear blue over it, it wouldn't cover. So anyway, all right, then I came back and I shot this through my airbrush, this X23 clear blue. I was going for a candy blue. I don't know if I really got the candy blue or not, but it's a nice looking blue though. Come out really sharp looking. Basically box stock, except for the plug wires and the XL coil. But other than that, it's box stock. Yeah, I got that bare metal foil on there. Good thing was there wasn't a whole lot on this kit, just on the hood and the side of the body, and that was it. The tires, I spray painted those with the Tamiya's, I don't remember what the number is, but it's a rubber black, because these tires that come in these kits, they just look a little too black and shiny to me, so I had to tone them down a little bit. But I think it came out pretty cool. I painted the trim around the windows. I wanted it to look like the rubber seal, so I painted that with some, let me see here. I think I got her right here. Yeah, that's at, to me, is XF85 rubber black. That's what I painted around the front and back glass with. Yeah, let me tell you about this front glass here, fellas. Daggone it. I had the smart idea of taking some bare metal foil and covering that whole front of that glass, and then just trimming out around the rubber. And then I sprayed it, and it come out fine. But when I peeled that bare metal foil off, I forgot all about that glue that was going to be on there, and I had a heck of a time getting that off there. I finally had to take some denatured alcohol, and I got it off there best I could. It looks okay, I guess. But boy, this was a really nice build. I really like it. I sprayed those headlight bezels and the grill with the license plate bracket back there. I painted all that with the. I took some of the Tamiya, the Molotov pen, and took some of the chrome out of there and shot it through my airbrush, and that works out pretty good. So I think that blue just came out really nice. I really like it. Did a little detailing down there. I wired it. Put the hose clamps on. Got that XL coil in there. That's the Iceman XL coil. He got some good stuff. The interior, that is a Rust-Oleum. There's no way I can get a close-up shot in there, but that interior is a Rust-Oleum satin warm caramel, I think it was. Just a really nice color. I think it come out killer, guys. Like I said, this is all stock, box stock. Comes with a killer engine. I just dig that engine. I blacked out up there in that bug catcher. Blacked that out. Thought it looked better than the chrome shining through. But I think the color, the body color and everything come out. I think that color really suits us 41 Willys. I'm going to tell you what. These daggone taillights, this one here on the driver's side, that one has fell off 3 times. The first 2 times I got lucky. The first time it hit the bench and I found it. It was actually over here underneath that truck. The second time it hit the floor, and after multiple times of sweeping the floor with the broom, I finally found it. And then the last time was this morning when I was doing some final cleanup over here. I was polishing the body and I knocked it off. And it hit the floor again. And I got lucky and found that sucker, so I'm not touching those anymore. I'm not getting close to them. Those things are small. But this is a nice build. I really enjoyed this build here. Man, it came out super nice, I think. I just love these old kits. These old. I built the John Masmanian gassers some time back. Painted it red. I got it in the case up there on the shelf, and I really like that. And I wanted to build the street rod versus the gasser this time around, so that's why I got this one here. I just think it turned out super nice. I'm just digging it. Yeah, one of those door handles too. I lost one of those suckers there for a while, and it was actually right in front of me. I kept looking and looking for it, and I sat down and I already told myself, all right, it's gone. Let's get in the parts box and see if we can find a replacement. And I happened to look down, and there she was. So I got lucky on that one. Yeah, I like these little discs that they give you in this little whirly jigger here. Those are pretty cool versus the black underneath. I think this makes it show a little bit better. Well, fellas, I think that's going to be about it. I don't have anything else to go over here. I'm kind of glad to get this one here done. I've been working on it for, I think, over a month. But she's finally done, and I'm moving on. I've got a couple other projects that are setting up here on the shelf, and I need to get after them. So, fellas, all right, I'm done.